6:53 p.m. Wednesday, June 10th. Sirens have just now started to sound. About a quarter mile east of DFW, looking west directly at DFW. Now I'm panning toward the north. This is a prominent shelf cloud. The last tornado warning I heard was for several miles north of here. So I'm not sure what the latest is and why we're getting the siren right now. I don't see any evidence of rotation at this point, just very prominent shelf cloud, definitely increasing wind gusts now. I'd say just in the last few seconds it's increased, the wind has increased from 15 to 30 and decidedly cooler now and more northerly than southwest.